Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're diving deep into a luxurious upgrade for your Apple Watch Ultra 249mm, the Diamond Titanium Case Mod Kit with a rubber band and metal butterfly clasp. This isn't just a case, it's a transformation. Let's unbox this beauty and see if it lives up to the hype. Right off the bat, the presentation is impressive. The case itself is striking. The titanium has a subtle sheen, and the claimed diamond accents catch the light beautifully. It feels substantial and well-made, not at all cheap or flimsy. This definitely adds a touch of elegance to the rugged Ultra 2. Now, titanium is known for its durability and lightweight properties, so it's a perfect match for a watch designed for adventure. We'll talk more about the fit and finish in a moment, but first, let's look at the band. The included rubber band is surprisingly comfortable. It has a smooth, almost silky texture, and it feels secure on the wrist. The metal butterfly clasp is a nice touch. It's easy to adjust and provides a solid, confident closure. I appreciate that they didn't skimp on the clasp. It feels just as premium as the case itself. This combination of titanium, diamonds, rubber, and metal creates a really unique aesthetic. It's sporty yet sophisticated, rugged yet refined. Now, let's talk about installation. It's surprisingly straightforward. The case aligns perfectly with the Ultra 2, and it snaps on securely without any gaps or wobbling. The cutouts for the buttons, crown, and sensors are precise, so there's no interference with functionality. I've seen some mod kits that make it difficult to access the buttons or affect the microphone, but this one doesn't have that problem. It's like it was designed by Apple themselves. Once it's on, the transformation is complete. The diamond titanium case elevates the Ultra 2 to a whole new level of style. It adds a touch of bling without being over the top. It's definitely a statement piece. Now, I know some of you might be concerned about bulk. While the case does add a little bit of thickness, it's not excessive. It still feels comfortable to wear, even during workouts. And the added protection is a bonus. This case will definitely help safeguard your investment from scratches and bumps. One thing I particularly appreciate is how the case integrates with the existing Apple Watch bands. You're not limited to just the included rubber band. You can easily swap it out for any other band you own, giving you endless customization options. This is a huge plus for those who like to change up their look. Now, let's talk about value. This mod kit definitely sits at the higher end of the price spectrum. However, considering the quality of the materials, the craftsmanship, and the overall aesthetic, I think it's worth the investment. This isn't just a cheap plastic case. It's a premium upgrade that will transform your Apple Watch Ultra 2 into a true luxury timepiece. So who is this for? This mod kit is perfect for anyone who wants to add a touch of luxury and personalization to their Apple Watch Ultra 2. It's ideal for those who appreciate high-quality materials and craftsmanship. If you're looking for a way to make your Ultra 2 stand out from the crowd, this is definitely worth considering. In conclusion, the Diamond Titanium Case Mod Kit for the Apple Watch Ultra 249mm is a fantastic upgrade. It's stylish, durable, and easy to install. While the price might be a bit steep for some, the quality and craftsmanship justify the cost. If you're looking to elevate your Ultra 2, I highly recommend checking this out.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.